Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add emote icons in Notion when using your mobile device. Notion's mobile app makes it easy to insert emote icons or emojis into your pages. Here's how to do it. Using your device emoji keyboard. Open the Notion mobile app. Launch the Notion app and navigate to the page where you want to add emojis or emote icons. Access the emoji keyboard. On iPhone, tap the emoji icon on your keyboard, usually a smiley face, or press and hold the globe icon to switch to the emoji keyboard. On Android, tap the emoji icon, usually located on or near the space bar, to open the emoji keyboard. Insert an emoji. Place your cursor where you want to add an emoji and tap on the desired emoji from your keyboard. The emoji will appear in your text, titles, or list items. And that's everything you need to know about how to add emote icons in Notion. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.